So welcome guys, we just walked inside the door. So here we have a small fridge, we got some courtesy slippers, more storage, we have a hotel safe, we have a kettle, and that is usual like tea, coffee, this cake original, 2 tool bags, some cups, you got some hanging space there, go into the bathroom. So we have a nice modern sink there, the hairdryer, we have some soap, we got some pasalubong, so we've got the shampoo, conditioner, vanity kit, 2 dental kits, a couple of cups there, we have toilet and bum gun, so we have the towels up there, there we go, we have a nice modern shower. So yeah, it is a shower, there's another bar of soap here, and you do have the selection there, so you can either have the overhead rain shower or you've got the handheld one. So there's your little hanging hook there, there's a little storage nook down there, and yeah, there's the hairdryer again.
Okay guys, so tapos na tayo sa bathroom. So this is our quick room tour dito sa Orchard, dito sa Baguio City. So ayan, nakita nyo ang ating room evacuation just in case guys. So we have the insert card power here as usual. We have our bags because we are staying here for 3 days and 4 nights. So ayan na guys ang ating bathroom kanina nung nag-quick tour tayo. Anyways, nabinyagan na yan ni Jax with his business. So here we have a I think it's a double bed, 2 double bed. So ayan si Jax guys, and we have a fancy one.
Yes.
We have a separate bed guys, so in the middle we have a table, bedside table, and Jax shoes. So we have the aircon there, we have the entrance, the main, and then we have the LCD screen, which is the TV. We have the trash can over here, the remote control. This is a non-smoking room guys. So we have a 1 chair. I don't know why only 1 chair here, with a lamp over there, I think for photos. And we have a 2 bedside lights here. They have a blue, aqua blue, and a white theme color here. So we have a terrace, which is our balcony, and this is our terrace. I will show you lang guys. So ayan, so this is our view from our balcony, and we are in the Baguio City people. So of course if you've been in Baguio, you know there's a lot of hillside houses over here, lot of old houses. There's a modern and a old houses. So I will close now, and I need to get back inside the room because it's so hot. So it's not cold at the moment. And Bulaga guys, so we are here in Orchard Hotel. So Orchard Hotel, people of the universe. So we're not only alone here. So we are with the family, my mom, my papa, my brother, the wife, and my pamangkin, which is the infant baby. So, ayun na guys, so we are here for 4 days and 3 nights dito sa Orchard Hotel, dito sa Baguio City. So, ayun na muna at the moment guys, so because we just woke up very early this morning, like 2 hours from our house in Pangasinan, in Urdaneta. So Yes, so we are getting to settle down for an hour and then we are heading outside to see some attractions here in Baguio City. So guys, mamaya uli! Bye, Jax! 2 years old yun.
Oh, yeah, there's a lake, isn't there, where you get the pedal bikes things to go on the water.
Park?
Yeah, this is the children's park at the bottom here. Probably straight up there, turn right somewhere. Yes. So they can walk along the path there if that's easy for them. Yeah, it's like bicycles or something going on there.
We want to ride bus. That's the one with the caravan park.
Yeah, I'm sure there'll be a way to get across. Yeah, so it starts to, oh yeah, looks up here, turn right. Stay behind. Stop pulsa. And tambay.
Sunbathing.
Currently sunbathing clothes on. Yes, that is correct.
Compared to we need lot of 5 peso. You should bring a lot of 5 peso in the
My entire bag is 5, 10 and 20 pesos. I don't have any ones in there at all.
yeah,
Toilet
that's
money.
the 5 peso.
It's good work. Okay, it looks like you have to. This is something you have to do. Do you not urinate here? Why is it in English? We're not ones dropping umi here everywhere.
That's a big one there.
Yeah, before. So what do? You just ride up and back?
Yeah. Or maybe look at the here.
Those ones look a bit better. They've actually got proper wheels on them. Things like in the caravan park, I can't remember now if it actually had pumped up tyres or not. Oh, it says the bike rate's over there. There's bicycle, pedal carts. Could be 200 peso, I think. Why have they got batteries on them, those ones?
Why don't we do both first?
So they crush it? Oh, there they are.
Because we go to the children's stop.
Oh, sunflower garden up there.
Pictures ma'am, sir, with costume.
Ah, I'm okay, thank you, Kuya. I think you have to hire for maybe right there or over there. I can't tell which one.
And that's the pink one.
Yeah, so white one could be over to the right then.
Where's the white?
There's another dock up there.
Oh, we didn't like the big one. Where's the big one? How much is the big?
Yeah, I'm not paddling. I'd rather use my legs. I don't want to use my arms.
So
Or
don't
do
want
you have to hire a kuya? I don't know if he's part of them or not. I don't think you fit everyone on a rowboat anyway. Oh, maybe you can, but
Maybe you feel like the big one.
do you hire a kuya to do that or?
Maybe yeah. Because Kuya is the one who do paddle.
Okay, saan?
Saan tayo mag-hire yung malaki?
Alright, big ones are down here to the right.
Nakapag-park na kayo? Araw-araw na ganun. Hi kayo. Ride a boat, sir, here.
So,
How many are you? I'm 200 lang.
yeah, do we get a kuya?
Ay, didaktan.
Ay, saklan. Meron po lower. Additional lang po.
Tagamin.
Yung malaki. 200 yung maliit.
Hindi malaki na tayo. Kasi sa malaki din. Hindi pwede.
Dito na kayo lahat.
Hali ka na.
Saglit lang.
Ma'am, nagpapasapan po. Additional 100 ha?
Hawakan mo.
You want at the back?
I don't mind.
They go in the middle, we go in the middle one.
Alala kay... Ay, iya kayo.
Oops, sorry. Sorry, I'll turn my. Oh, stretch legs.
Picture taking.
Harap mo kasi
Kaya naman picturean ko kayo para
harap mo, doon sa harap mo. Para ano. Ilang tagal naman yan. Sabi niya, ano ba yan?
tumayo.
Ito yung tsura, oh. Ano yung lalim?
Lalim to.
Malalim. Don't push na naman.
Yeah.
Tignan nila ko yung kagwa na.
Yeah, tumigil eh.
Tapos mo ng pants. Tapos mo ng jogging pants. Dog, para hindi makita yung puto.
Eponymous, ha?
Oy, oy.
Sabi, ano ba meron? Ano meron? Baka naalala niyo tuloy naligo sa Tagaga. Di ba naligo, mayaw? Oo, yung salon doon. Oo. Ang lakas ng alon eh. Ang lakas ng alon. Bumabay talaga yun.
Sa Florida. Ilan na ba yung mag-100 islands? Malakas ang alon. Pag sumali kayo ng pangkat. Ganun pa naman yung bangalo. Sa hapon.
Number 7, kaliwa. Hindi silaw, oh. Bagay yung silong niya, may